What the hell was that? And how did it play out?
No.
Alright, listen,
She's
stop.
on YouTube now. See?
Yes.
Shut.
What are you doing?
Oh god.
Lotus.
Your face?
No, my leg.
Your face?
Ashley.
My leg.
You need to get Lotus out of
Your
here.
face? What? What was it?
Funky.
Oh, it's fine.
She's destroying everything in the room. She needs to get out.
Hey, lay down.
You guys are excited, so she's trying to...
Notice. Now she wants to play. She's like, come on.
No, I don't want to play with you. Go play with Stephanie. Go play with Stephanie.
What am I playing with?